Hi there, I'm Brandon from Basic Wisdom. Before we get started with stock splits, be sure to go to achievable.me for the best SIE program available and go to basicwisdom.net if you're in need of any tutoring services from me. Forward stock splits are a way for a company to legally manipulate its price downwards without actually losing value. Now, why would a company actually do this? The answer most of the time is because they believe their stock price is too expensive for the average investor. Let's go through a real-world example to understand this a little bit better. In 2014, Apple stock was trading around $650 per share, which is quite expensive for a stock. And just for context, most company stocks trade somewhere between $30 and $100 per share. To bring down their stock price without actually losing any value, Apple performed a 7-for-1 forward stock split. Let's look at the math to understand this a little bit better. Assume an investor owns 100 shares of Apple stock at $650 per share prior to the stock split. To figure out what the change looks like, let's utilize something that I call the stock split factor. To find the stock split factor, go back to the stock split numbers and divide the first number by the second number. In this case, we'll divide 7 by 1 and get 7. That is our factor. Now, take that number 7 and multiply it times the number of shares and divide it by the price per share to figure out what the change will be to the investor's portfolio. The customer will end up with 700 shares of stock at $92.86 per share. The investor will end up with more shares, but each share will be worth proportionally less. The overall value of stock the customer starts with should be the same number that they end with. This customer started with $65,000 of Apple stock and will also end with $65,000 worth of Apple stock. If you don't end up with the same overall value of stock in the end after the stock split, your math was wrong. Thanks so much for watching today. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button below. Therefore, you'll get access to all of my videos immediately when they become available. And I try to post at least a couple new videos every single month to help you pass on the very first try. Good luck with your studies, and I'll see you next time.